In our encounter with the State Secretary, we brought forward the issue of restoration of democracy. The issues that we have been discussing so frequently within the Island Council was also brought forward on the table to the State Secretary. I must indeed say, before our meeting with the State Secretary, a majority of the Island Council members sent a letter requesting a meeting with the State Secretary, and also accompanying that letter was also documents about the restoration of democracy, about all the motions that were passed towards the mediation, and also the route timetable. And also we sent along the letter that was presented to CONOPS last year in 2021. So these documents were already brought forward to the State Secretary, and it was brought to her attention that we would like to have that discussion about democracy. So as we discussed about democracy, we brought forth the issues that we're facing. Being 1 year within the Island Council, we experience more bottlenecks and have a better understanding of what it takes to get democracy back. These points that we highlight in the Island Council, we also highlight at the table. In terms of more expertise is needed, the capacity to complete the criteria points. And of course, the famous cadastre, where that is a criteria point, but it lies in the hands of a third party. The hands of third parties who are not even sure when and if it will be completed because they're having some type of a legal document battle. We also said that there are other areas within the restoration law that is not too clear for us. And one of the issues are how do we move through the phases. We understand that phase 2 is pretty clear. There's criteria points. And once those criteria points are met, then we move to phase 3. But there's one little thing within the law. It states that the minister decides. And we would like to know what is the criteria for the minister to decide, so we can know if we are meeting that, so we can move on to the phases.